Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today, I will deliver lecture on probability, lecture number 25, in which I will give the concept of mean or expectation of a random variable. Let we have some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We wish to find the mean or average of these numbers. Then mean will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 divided by 6, and this is equal to 21 by 6. We may write this as 1 by 6, 1 multiply 1 by 6 plus 2 multiply 1 by 6 plus 3 multiply 1 by 6 plus 4 multiply 1 by 6 plus 5 multiply 1 by 6 plus 6 multiply 1 by 6 equal to 21 by 6. This is number 1. Now let we have a dice, and if we throw the dice, the outcomes may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Then sample space will be a set containing numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are outcomes of the random experiment. If outcomes are equally likely, then probability of appearing any outcome will be 1 by 6. If we multiply each outcome with corresponding probability, 1 by 6. 1 multiply 1 by 6 plus 2. Number 2 multiply its probability be 1 by 6. 3 multiply probability of appearing 3 is 1 by 6 plus 4 multiply its probability is 1 by 6 plus 5 multiply probability is 1 by 6 plus 6 multiply its probability is 1 by 6. So here we see that number 1 and number 2 are same. Number 2 represents sum of product of outcomes with its probability. So if we write outcomes x1, x2, x3, these are as x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, and corresponding probabilities p1, p2, p6. Then mean is represented as, from 2, the number x1 in place of 1 we get x1, 1 by 6, its probability p1 plus x2, 2 is x2, its probability 1 by 6 is p2, x3 p3 plus x4 p4 plus x5 P5 plus X6 P6, and we may write this as sigma Xi Pi, I equal to 1 to 6 here. If we have numbers x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6 xn, then this will be sigma I equal to 1 to n xi pi, and this is the mean. With the help of probability, we have found the mean. Now, if capital X equal to xi be random variable, then we will get the mean of the random variable similar to this mean. And we write the definition of the mean or expectation of a random variable. The definition of mean or expectation of a random variable is as follows. Let capital X be a random variable whose possible values are small x1, small x2, small xn occur with probabilities P1, P2, Pn respectively. Then the mean or expectation of capital X is denoted by mu or E under bracket capital X, and mu equal to E under bracket capital X equal to sigma I equal to 1 to n xi pi. By expansion, we may write this x1 p1 plus x2 p2 plus xn pn. That is, the mean or expectation of a random variable capital X is the sum of the product of all possible values of capital X by their respective probabilities. Now we solve a problem. Problem is find the mean number of heads in 3 tosses of a fair coin. If we toss a fair coin 3 times, then we will get sample space, a set containing HHH. H means head, head. In the first coin head, in the second coin head, in the third coin head. Here HHT means in the first coin head, in the second coin head, in the third coin tail. Similarly HTH, HTT, THH, TTH, THT, TTT. Here we get 8 number of outcomes. Probability for each outcome will be 1 by 8. Now, let capital X be a random variable which denotes the number of heads. So, probability for X equal to 0 means no head. Here no head is TTT outcome, only 1. So, probability of appearing TTT is 1 by 8. Here probability X equal to 1 head. Here we see 1 head HTT. Here we see 1 head TTH. Here we see 1 head THT. 3 outcomes. So probability for 3 outcomes will be 3 by 8. Here probability for X equal to 2 heads. Here we get 2 heads, here 2 heads, and here 2 heads. So we get 3 outcomes containing 2 heads. So the probability will be 3 by 8. probability x equal to 3 means 3 head. Here H, only single outcome. So probability will be 1 by 8. Since we know the formula for mean or expectation, that is mu equal to Ex equal to sigma I1 to n xi pxi. Means we write each value of the random variable and multiply it with its probability. Here 0 multiply 1 by 8. 0 be the value of a random variable and its probability be 1 by 8 plus. Here value of random variable is 1. 1 multiply 3 by 8 plus. Here value of the random variable 2, probability 3 by 8. 2 multiply 3 by 8 plus. Here value of the random variable 3, 3 multiply probability 1 by 8. And we get value of this is 1.5. Hence, we get the mean or expectation of the random variable. Random variable will be the number of heads. Now we solve problem number 2. Problem is 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. If a capital X denote the number of sixes, find the expectation of X. When 2 dice are thrown simultaneously, then sample space is a set containing outcomes 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 2 1, 2 2 and so on, and lastly 6 6. These are ordered pair. Here number of outcomes equal to 36. Therefore, probability for each outcome will be 1 by 36. Now, we find the probability for the random variables. Here random variable is defined as number of sixes. So firstly we find probability for x equal to 0. That means number of 6 be 0, no 6. Here probability for x equal to 1, number of sixes be 1. We have to find that outcome and find their probability. Probability x equal to 2 means number of sixes be 2. And we have to find that outcome and corresponding probability. Here we see that probability x equal to 2 means 2 sixes. Here we get only one outcome like this. 2 sixes is only one outcome, 6 6. Its probability is 1 by 36. 1 by 36. Now, probability for x equal to 1 means 1 6. Outcomes containing 1 6. Here 1 6, here 1 6, here 1 6, 1 2 3 4 5, here 2 6, 5 6 7 8 9 10. We get 10 number of such outcomes. So probability will be 10 multiply 1 by 36. Since probability for each outcome is 1 by 36. Here we get 10 outcomes, here 1 outcomes, 11 outcomes. So remaining outcomes will be 25. So P probability for x equal to 0 means no 6, here no 6, here no 6, here no 6. And number of such outcomes will be 25. 25 multiply 1 by 36. Now we find the mean or expectation. For this we write the value of the random variable 0 multiply its probability 25 by 36 plus here value of the random variable is 1 multiply its probability be 10 by 36 plus here value of the random variable be 2 its probability is 1 by 36. So this will be 36, this is 0, here 10 plus 2, 12, 12 by 36 and this is 1 by 3. So we get the mean or expectation of the random variable capital X, which is equal to 1 by 3. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.